the shapes that we have are limited. Okay, so you can see that there are only circular rings. Alright, and then you also have hexagon, you also have oval shape. Alright, I think Jasper, we talk about it, you can use the oval shape, right, for the body of your design. Alright, and then you can combine together with the vacuum forming. Alright, so okay, now you notice that for this particular plate, you have this wooden plank here. Alright, attached to this. What's the purpose?
So it's stable.
Secure.
Secure, stable?
No, it's to like give me a flash.
Yes, correct. Now you notice that when you do blow molding, alright, even on the hexagon or the circular shape, okay, the air will be blown upwards, right? So the plastic will balloon, expand. Alright. So if you want to have a flat surface like what Eden has mentioned, you attach this wooden plank, or you want to have a controlled height, okay? Then you put this wooden plank. Okay?
The material I'm going to use here, right? Okay, is what material is this? Acrylic, right? Transparent. So you can choose whatever color that you want, provided we have it here. Okay. Then what we do is definitely got to wear
Gloves.
yeah, gloves, because you're dealing with, you know, very high temperature. Okay. Okay. Then what you do is, yeah, this convection oven. Okay. Okay. This is a convection oven. So I set to 250. Okay. So I put this. I know. It's not right. Okay. To soften it, not to melt the acrylic. Okay. So soften it. Okay. Okay. Look. What I have here, right? Okay, is a picture. Okay, that supposed to blow the air out.
Oh.
Okay, and what I have here, okay, is the air compressor. Okay, air compressor. You need a license to run this air compressor. Yeah. You apply a license already. Okay. Okay, there's a valve here. This is the clamp, right? Okay. This is a clamp for you to clamp your material, your workpiece here, right? Okay. And you see here, there is this lever here that will control the air flow. Okay. So, okay. So the moment your acrylic, your material already softened, what you need to do is take it out, place it on this platform, right? Get the former that you want, right? Place it on top, clamp. Okay, then after that you control the air. How high you want the height that you want. Okay. Okay.
How does it usually take?
Okay, this is the former, right? Okay. Actually, what I go okay, this one is made out of metal, right? Let's say you want to make your own former. I have different shapes, okay, made of metal. So you can use from wherever I have. Or if you want to make your own, okay, then I think we will use cardboard. Okay, then you got to cut, you know, the design, right? Okay, and then after that you use that as the former. Okay, how long you need to heat up your material, right? Okay, it depends on the material, the thickness of the material. Okay, yeah, you can use a glove. Okay, you see now? Okay, this is now, right? Okay, put it,
You have to be
and
quick,
then place this. Okay, then clamp. Then what you do is start You see, so the height, right, it depends on how high you want. Okay,
So can it go straight or?
so you don't, right, when you know, on the valve, okay, don't straight away you
So how high
pull
can
right,
you go?
okay, then the thing will just shoot out and burst
Oh, okay, now I
faster.
Cool it down faster.
Yeah. Okay, so you can see how what this thing is. Okay,
Okay, you
so
notice
once
that
done,
this process is quite easy, huh?
easy.
Alright, for our project, if you're using the blow molding, it's just an additional part, okay, for aesthetics. But if you don't need this process, it is okay.